Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we had a report today for subscribers that closed up 19% on the day and near the day's highs. Congrats to all who banked. If you didn't, you're in luck because we have another report for subscribers for tomorrow's session. This Nasdaq small cap has a float of just 3 million shares and recent insider buying. This company trades just under $3, yet has over $5 per share in cash on the balance sheet. The PR from the company last week shows it's also an AI play. This is a company you're going to want to research. There's a lot going on. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email and any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Well, guys, Wall Street's major averages ended mixed today as a slump in financial stocks outweighed gains in some growth sectors. Nvidia reversed course ahead of its tomorrow's highly anticipated earnings report. The chip giant's result, along with the Jackson Hole Symposium on Friday, are seen as the key events of the week in terms of market drivers. The tech-heavy Nasdaq closed marginally higher by just 0.06%. The benchmark S&P retreated 0.28%, while the Dow Jones slipped 0.5%. The blue chip index was weighed down by JP Morgan. Of the 11 S&P sectors, at 7 ended in negative territory. Real estate, utilities, communication services, and consumer discretionary were the only gainers. Financials was a top loser, with regional banks and Charles Schwab dragging on the sector. S&P Global Ratings today downgraded the credit ratings of 5 regional lenders, with the agency expecting further asset quality deterioration amid higher for longer interest rates. The move follows a similar action by Moody's earlier this month. Meanwhile, Charles Schwab on after hours on Monday said it would cut jobs and close or downsize some corporate offices. Market participants are looking ahead to Nvidia's results tomorrow. Expectations are high for another strong quarter and for positive commentary around AI. Optimism surrounding the Jensen Huang-led firm has reached a fever pitch ahead of the earnings, with the stock earlier today hitting a new 52-week high. It ended up giving up those gains and slipped into negative territory on the day. And overall, markets are quiet as the summer nears its end, and time will tell, how things play out in terms of interest rates higher for longer, or are we going to be getting the Fed pivot that everyone is hoping for? Quarterly results were in the spotlight today. Cautious guidance by Macy's put pressure on other retail stocks. Conversely, Lowe's was among the top percentage gainers on the S&P after the home improvement retailer reported a less than expected drop in comparable sales. Treasury yields continue to be in focus, with the recent bond sell-off easing slightly. The longer end 10-year yield was down 1 basis point to 4.33%, while the more rate-sensitive 2-year yield was up 5 basis points to 5.04%. Yields will stay in the spotlight as the Jackson Hole Symposium approaches. Fed Chair Jay Powell will speak at the event on Friday, and traders will be looking for any clues on future monetary policy actions. Today's economic calendar was fairly light. July existing home sales fell more than anticipated. At the same time, Richmond Fed's manufacturing survey for August was in line with consensus. In terms of small small caps, VFS is the stock everyone is talking about. Look at this chart. Wow. VinFast Auto Limited closed on Tuesday with a monster 108% gain that pushed the market cap to over $90 billion. The closing price of $36.72 was still short of the post-Spac high of $46.98 as the wild swings continued for this EV stock. Notably, the market cap on VinFast trails only Tesla and Toyota in the auto sector. The sizzling rally has defied expectations and is seemingly not tied to any fundamental analysis. Wall Street analysts have yet to post any ratings on VinFast. And to give you some background, VinFast manufactures and exports a portfolio of e-SUVs, e-scooters, and e-buses across Vietnam, North America, and soon Europe. The company said it operates a state-of-the-art automotive manufacturing complex in Hai Phong that boasts up to 90% manufacturing automation and an annual production capacity of up to 300,000 units per year in Phase 1. The company said it is committed to the mission of creating a sustainable future. VFAST became a fully electric vehicle manufacturer in 2022 and has since delivered 4 EV models, VFE34, VF8, VF9, and VF5 in Vietnam. On July 28th, VinFast broke ground for the construction of its EV manufacturing site in North Carolina, marking a significant step in its global expansion and the company's supply chain development in North America. Earlier this year, Car and Driver posted a mixed review on the two-row all-wheel drive VF8 crossover. The base 349 horsepower dual-motor VF8 Eco was priced at the time from $47,200 with an 87.7 kilowatt battery and EPA estimated range of 264 miles. Despite the Kia EV6 by the way of the uncanny valley vibe of the overall presentation, the VF8 does do some things well. Its highway assist system does a great job keeping the car centered in a lane such that you're not consistently fighting the wheel to correct it, as say in a Lucid. At the test track, the Plus City Edition generated respectable numbers, hitting 60 mile per hour in 5.0 seconds and covering the quarter mile in 13.9 seconds at 98 miles per hour. Road and Track was not nearly as kind with its review in May, calling the initial VinFast product for the U.S. unfinished and embarrassing. Other runners today were FULC, closed up 38% today. It got a buy rating from Stifel and an $11 price target. So that was the action today. HKD closed up 27%. The company announced a $30 million share repurchase program. So that is what got the market excited about that stock. HLGN, patent news after the bell, stock trading at 21 cents with no debt and 58 cents per share in cash on the book. This was the granted U.S. patent received for capturing solar energy, low price Nasdaq stock. So we got this patent news, and that is explains what's going on there. Also, APLS, news after the bell, provides updates on injection kits and rare safety events in Cyvafor. The company got from JP Morgan a $60 price target earlier this month. Stock closed at $30. Have this one on watch for tomorrow. Almost 10% of the float is short. This news here, internal structural variations were identified in the 19-gauge filter needle included in certain injection kits. APLS recommends use of kits with the 18-gauge filter needle, which are already in distribution. More than 100,000 vials have been distributed and administered between real-world and clinical trials since last update. Confirmed one additional event of retinal vasculitis that occurred in May. So again, put this one on watch for tomorrow. And what we do here at InsiderFinancial.com, guys, is put stocks on your radar that have the potential for outsized moves. As I say repeatedly, there's always opportunities each day in the markets. The key is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The most important thing is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and ride that wave. Sometimes those waves are big, sometimes they are small. Right now, they're not going to be, huge, but you can get in there and make a lot of money just hitting singles and doubles, and that's what we do here at InsiderFinancial.com. But our main focus for tomorrow is our new Nasdaq AI stock that presents a discount entry opportunity for our subscribers. We could see big fireworks in this stock this week. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at InsiderFinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.